Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and honored guests. Speakers Workshop is proud to present Deb Rankin, Banking Energy, Deb Rankin.
On a glass smooth pond, if you toss a rock, the splash, and then the ripples. The ripples move out and out and out in diminishing height. And the energy contained in all of that is contained in the energy the rock delivers to the pond. Can you bank that energy? I guess not. You can kind of bank electricity, a battery. We've all got batteries. But I think I understand there's a different energy that you can bank. When you smile at somebody and they smile back, that's a cool energy. But here's what's really neat. If you raise their joy, their happiness, they may be more likely to smile at somebody else. And smiles ripple, but not in diminishing radiuses or diminishing amplitude as the radius expands. But they propagate. I wonder if you let out the proper smile at the proper time, will the whole world respond? But I got to thinking, smiles are contagious. I'm walking past. If you do something nice for somebody, it makes them feel good, but it makes me feel good when I do it. If I do something nice for somebody, what I get back is I feel good, I feel their appreciation. Are they more likely to do something nice for somebody else? Maybe they are. Maybe random acts of kindness ripple. So, with the Christmas Club, you put a little money in each month and you get to earn compounded interest. If you do something nice for somebody, the energy you get back, can you bank that? Does that earn interest? I've amused myself with this thought. Maybe it does. If I do something nice for somebody, I get something back. We all know that, and I feel good, and that stays with me a little bit. That's kind of like banking it. But I never really understood that if they do something nice for somebody else, does that make them feel good, and then that makes them, but do I get a piece of that? I'm not allowed to gamble anymore, but I did understand on a roulette wheel, there's a green number. That number is what gives the house the advantage over the other 36 numbers that you can bet on. In America, there's 2 green numbers. It's better to play roulette in Europe if you're going to play roulette. They refer to that as the vigorette, the vig, the cut that the house makes. If you're on the craps table, there's a cut that the house makes. When I do something kind for somebody, what comes back? Maybe it's a vig. If they do something kind for somebody else, maybe I get a piece of that vig too. How many ripples? How much does it propagate? Somebody said that when you do something nice, it comes back to you tenfold. I think that was written long ago. Tenfold. That's an interesting number. Maybe it's precisely 10, or maybe it just indicates that it comes back to you more. Maybe the intent that you do something nice becomes the coefficient of how much comes back to you. Being more present, doing something on purpose. If you intend to help somebody and have impact for them and they're appreciative of it, maybe they're more likely to be in that same presence with the people that they're doing something for. Now I'm starting to get, I need an Excel spreadsheet. Let's start counting the vig. I got this, then they did that, I get that. then those did even more. Wow! This is like a pyramid scheme from God. Maybe it actually works that way. If you're doing kindness, just pretend that you're nice. It's not the same intent. If you're sincere, if you're genuine, I think for the most part people know the difference. If you receive somebody's kindness and you're appreciative, maybe they don't appreciate your appreciation, but you did your part. And what if we do all of our own parts? And this energy, this spiritual energy gets banked. That you get to call in the favor from time to time. Like at Christmas time, when you get to cash in your Christmas club and buy everybody presents that you love. I like the idea of doing kindness. I like the idea of the Levitic. I can't prove that it works this way, but it sure makes me happy to think that it might. Fellow Toastmasters,